Alright guys, welcome back again. We left you guys with the bumper on, fenders on, and let me show you where we're going to improve it. So if you look, this thing's already bolted on. You can just tell how we have it like high, like really tight, and then it just gets big. So we just have to add a couple fiberglass right here just to make it smooth. Maybe just like that much. Again, it's not that big of a difference, but you have to do it so it can look right. And second part, I guess same thing. I mean, this is why we put the primer so we can see all the little imperfections. But same thing with this one. Look at this one, high and then big. So it's just filling these top. Again, at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal, but let's get it done right for the customer, man. Hopefully once we're done with that, then we can finally start putting the front. And once that's done, then the wide body should be done. The only thing would be just the headlights and bolting everything on, and that's it, man. Crazy, right? Hey guys, so it's a couple days since we posted this bad boy. Let me tell you where we're at right now. So like I said, we put the fiberglass, we extended it. Like anytime you want to extend it, man, you always want to, I say the best option is fiberglass, honestly, just because it's non-bondo. This stuff, you pull, it won't come out. That's if you adhere it properly. If you just put it on, it's not gonna stick. You have to know how to adhere it to the plastic. But yeah guys, all I have to do is just cover the little pinholes, put some actual bondo here, just a slight, and it will go in perfectly fine. Because if we look here real quick, look at that, guys. You see that gap? It was huge. Now it's smaller now because of the fiberglass. So now I'm gonna fill it with a bondo, give it a quick sand, and this thing will be ready for filler. Same thing with this one. You see, I haven't sanded all the way, but like I said, I'm just, you see that, extended it out. But yeah, let me continue sanding this, and we'll primer it, and then we can start the front. Guys, so check it out. Plastic welded it, cut it right here. So now now I can start working on the inner lip. But yeah, it is coming together, man. It is definitely coming together. Again, this looks so nice. Custom fenders right there, man. Can't get better than that. But yeah, all I'm gonna do now is just sand this, add some bondo, and bolt it from the inside as well, so it doesn't what's it called, come apart or anything like that. All right guys, welcome back again. Look at this beauty, man. So let me tell you what we have done so far. So we have definitely fixed the front bumper because there was a big gap. Looks way better than what it was. The back pieces for the wide body at the moment, we are giving it the last sand, and we're going to give it a nice primer. These are the front. Again, they are done. Like I said, we put a bolt in the back so it can hold it, bondo it, sanded it. So these are the front. So it's almost there, guys. So last thing I really have to do is just do the bottom piece, give it a little lip, same thing, do the same process, and give it that last coat, and wide body should be done. Next thing would be the bottom lip, and the hood pins, and that should be it. Next thing would be the headlights. But overall, man, she is almost looking good. Let me see if I can go over here, and again, these are the other ones. Like I said, I already gave it a nice wash. Next thing would be just to give it that last primer. But yeah, guys, looks like we just finished doing this. My guy got all of the OEM parts. I'm not gonna lie, one thing I did learn from this build is that the wheel wells inside, I think you might want to invest in those if you ever decide to like wide body this or any car, matter of fact, because it actually hides the cut that we made. If you look under, again, look at that, you cannot see none of the cuts that we made, and it actually helps it prevent from water going inside. So that's really cool, I'm not gonna lie. Even the front as well, he got the OEM wheel well. All he has to do is get the wide tires, some 305s. But man, this thing is looking fire, man. Like I said, it was just a bolt on. Again, clean. Like I said, these over here don't really take that long, guys. Like I said, these I can knock down and maybe knock. Well, I can't even talk right. I can basically finish it like in maybe max 3 days, but if not, maybe a week. But it takes time compared to something like that, or again like this beast right here. Again, this is all fabricated. Like I say, you will not find nothing like this. So yeah, that's cool, but I mean, just look at it, man. I like how it just has that square look to it compared to the round. But again, it's up to you guys. Would you guys prefer the 7th, no sorry, the 8th or the 7th gen, or the 8th or 7th, or if not, then I know that people call them the 2nd gen and 3rd gen. It's whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it like that, and let's spray paint those things and make it look fresh. This thing's dirty so much, I gotta give it a nice wash, man. Like, so much dust. Alright, there you go. Wash this thing. There it goes, coming back to life, man, because that thing was so dusty, man, from all that dust inside. There we go. I want you to guys appreciate these wide bodies, man. Look at this thing, man. We have the 7th gen wide body. Again, look at that. We took the rear bumper off this one and merged it with the factory SRTA bumper. Like I said, finished doing this customers. Look at that, beautiful. And at the moment, we're making that boy again. Like I said, look at that, man. That's how it looks like raw, guys, before it became that beautiful plum crazy color you see right there. Custom fenders, look at that. Wide body, it's getting there, guys. It is getting there. Again, it's just, look at this beast, man. Woo! That is a beauty, man. That is so fucking beautiful, man. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful, man. Again, you cannot go wrong with the 2nd gen wide body. It just costs a lot because you just have to fabricate it compared to this one. Again, so beautiful too, man. Like I said, this car had a lot of inspiration building that boy, and now inspiration building that boy. Again, just beautiful, man. Just beautiful. I'm gonna leave it like that, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Guys, so let me keep you guys updated. The whole reason why you won't see me put the camera and just do a lot, because it is so much adjusting, so much cutting. Like I said, my phone will not catch the memory for this, so I just have to kind of just do it and show you guys. So far, this is where we're at. We cut it. We had to fill this gap. Same thing with the other side. Like I said, right here, the bolt's not clipped on, so we had to do it. The other side is actually pretty nice. The bolt, it's actually bolted on. Look at that, guys, no gap, just the way we love it. Same thing with this one. Gotta put an inner lip. When I do these stuff, guys, I never plastic weld that fender flare to the bumper, just because the front is what absorbs the most impact when you hit a bump or a curve or anything like that. So I don't want it to start cracking or paint start peeling. We don't want that. So I want it to be kind of like this, you know, because keep in mind, guys, these stuff, man, if you really tighten and you hit something, this thing may end up popping or something, especially if it's molded. That's why I'd rather have the plastic not bolted on, but not so tight, where if it hits something, it can move around, and it'll be fine. Like I said, mine's been good for 2 years, and I'm gonna this has been working for me, so I'm gonna continue. But yeah, we have the Fender first with the back primer. Like I said, I just have to patch the little pinholes that are not right. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. I'm trying to finish finishing this car, man. It's just late, but the bumper is right over there. Had to take it out. Like I said, if you see, it's white now. It's filler and primer. It's not that black. It's smooth now. What else? That's really about it, guys. I think after this, I should be able to just bolt it on, and that should be good. Next thing would be the lip in the bottom. Kind of have to adjust a little bit so the wide body can go on it. We fixed the front hood, or the bumper. It had a really big gap. Next thing is to put the hood pins. Yeah, put the hood pins and just make sure everything's good to go, and that's it, guys. So yeah, let me continue working, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so update. So in order for the side markers to work, you have to tap into your side marker. When you're doing the 11 to 14, unfortunately they don't come with that side marker, so you have to convert it, buy the harness and tap into it. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. All right, guys, I'm telling you, man, it's late night, man. It's like probably 9, about to be 10. But yeah, guys, here's the harness from the inside of the bumper, and we have basically got rid of all the old ones now, and we're gonna replace it with the new ones. So again, there they are. Good thing, look at these black ones, man. They're completely burned out, but luckily I know how to restore them. So gonna do that. And also we are also gonna replace the license plate number, or the license plate light, I guess, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna put it, you know, we're trying to get this thing to kind of factory, you know. We want to keep it original, so we're gonna get the pigtail for this, and no more LED bulb. But it sucks if it ever goes out. This thing needs to be replaced. I'm not sure how much this costs, but again, it's LED. It's no more yellow. But yeah, let me get these things soldered and get ready to go. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Let me show you. Look at this. Again, all properly soldered and heat shrink, good to go. Customer bottom. Let's test them out. Let's make sure everything works fine. Even got the OEM license plate. I also connect them in the front as well. So let's just see if everything lights up. Let's go here. Let's put it here. And boom. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's see what we got here. What do we got here? So that works. That's working. This is not working. I have to see what's up with that. Let's see over here. That works right there. Look at that. Perfect. Cool. Again, it's just a mess, guys, I know. And the other one, same thing. Perfect. The only thing is just the light. Not sure if it even works. Let me see if I can change the wires. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's wrong, positive, negative. But let me check it out real quick. But besides that, side markers are all good to go. Hey guys, so got it to work. I completely forgot, but I remember this one does require double ground. Everything's good to go. So wiring, it is good. So hopefully tomorrow should be able to send that, send the front, primer it. Bumper should be done. It's just need one last primer, one last coat of primer or fill or whatever it is, and it should be good, honestly. The only thing would just be just the front splitter, but we're damn near done, man. Next is just a headlight, and that should be done. But besides that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, guys, so check it out. Right there's the rear bumper, the wide body. So let's put this boy on, see how it's gonna look like. I am excited, man. All right, guys, so she is done. Look at that, guys. We even put the side marker, so that way the customer could have that feeling that it's brand new. But besides that, look at this, guys, man. The thing looks so thick. I love it. Let's go on the other side. That compared to this, big difference, right? Now there is right here, we are gonna adjust a little bit. You guys probably can't tell over video, but it's just off by like a couple mils. But again, we want to make this thing look good, man. You know, that's what we get paid for, to make it look good, OEM. So yes, some people may not catch it from this distance, but again, we care about stuff like this, man. So let me turn on the side markers so you guys can see how they look like. Turn that on. Boom, look at that, guys. Clean, especially with the tail light. Beautiful. I'm not sure why that's not on. I have no idea. Maybe he didn't connect it because maybe it went out, but yeah, there's a second one right there connected as well. So now it's time for the back, and we'll continue. But overall, let me know your comments, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys would do, or do you guys just prefer the new gen and not the wide body on the second or the 7th? But yeah, this thing looks so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna continue the other one and we'll go from there, guys. All right, guys, wide body is about 95% done. I just have to fix the little gaps right there. This one looks pretty good. Yep, that one looks pretty good. Don't mind, that's just my fingerprint from sanding. This side here definitely needs to get fixed. I'm not sure what happened there, but you see that? Gotta get that fixed, so that's not hard. That's not hard. But overall, man, she is good to go, guys. Again, we want to make this thing look crisp, so we gotta make sure we fix as much as we can, man. And again, this is all bolted on, guys. It's all bolted on. But yeah, guys, just want to show you how it looks like real quick. We even have, whoops, this thing popped out. We even have the OEM license plate to light up from the 2015 Chargers as well. But hey, guys, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comment below, and if you guys have any question, guys, DM me on Instagram, because that's where I'm more active. If this is something interested in getting on your car, we can definitely do it. Just keep in mind, it is time consuming. My guy has been having it for months. I mean, I've been having it for months, just because of the fender, the custom fenders. I had to make them, so they did take a while, and then from there I had to do the wide body. But yeah, the beast is technically gonna look like this, man. Just look at that, just raw beauty right there, man. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it like that. Next video is going to be the custom headlights, and hopefully by then I'll have all these little imperfections done. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.